The world of search has changed. Google is no longer the dominant search engine it once was. More than 60% of shoppers now begin with AI search engines. And AI doesn't rank content the way Google used to. AI looks for authority, coherence, trust, and brand consistency. That's why traditional SEO, do it yourself tools like Semrush, and old school agencies are no longer the dominant search tools consumers use. They optimize for keywords, but AI optimizes for understanding. At Acecommerce, we do something no one else does. We reverse engineer your brand before we create any content. We study your writing style, your tone, your authority signals, and how AI engines already interpret your brand. Then we build content that strengthens your authority and positions you alongside AI recommendations. We're not a tool, we're not an agency, we're the missing layer between your brand and the new AI search ecosystem. If you want content designed for the future of search, not the past, get your free AI SEO audit. Let's see how AI views your brand and how we can reverse engineer it for maximum authority.